CompuSave, leading the way in a new kind of electronic network. Each day, thousands of shoppers touch CompuSave's kiosk screens, orders are processed, and merchandise is shipped. It's the world's first completely automated direct discount merchandise network. And CompuSave is developing variations on Touch and Save to build on its success. Touch and Save is growing every day, almost 500 installations strong in 24 supermarket chains in 17 states. The biggest names in the supermarket business, Safeway, 7-Eleven, A&P, Kroger, have bought and installed CompuSave kiosks. Brand new applications, including a do-it-yourself network, are also in full production.
Starting to create more traffic. People are getting to know that this machine is here.
We feel it gives us an edge in that we can handle 1,500 extra items that our competitors cannot handle in this format.
So in a sense, it increases your inventory enormously.
It does.
Touch and Save shoppers choose from a huge inventory of over 2,500 products made by 260 name brand manufacturers. Sony, General Electric, Samsonite, Hamilton Beach.
I think it's excellent. Absolutely marvelous way to shop. Because I have been spoken to people who have that Seiko watch and they spent more than they did here, so I'm delighted.
It's a new experience for me.
You like this one-stop shopping?
Well, it's very nice.
What about the price? Have you been able to compare it? Was it cheaper?
Yes, it is a savings, I know.
It's time saving, and that's very important for a busy housewife. You know, she goes shop and she likes to do everything in one store.
And each day, the kiosks automatically connect to CompuSave's mainframe order processing system, which verifies credit and prints out invoices. Each day, hundreds of orders are shipped direct from CompuSave's huge warehouse to customers all over the country. This unique technology is also applicable to many other markets, which the company is aggressively pursuing. CompuSave began full-scale research and development in June 1984, introduced working prototypes in late 1984, and tooled up an electronics assembly line in April 1985. Anywhere in the United States in 4 to 10 days. The company's merchandising staff buys products at quantity wholesale prices, in many cases direct from manufacturers. Prices and product mix are updated automatically throughout the nationwide network. Each kiosk in the field constantly gathers statistics through built-in sensors. How many people walk by, how many people touch the screen, what departments they shop in, what they purchase. CompuSave's purchasing, distribution, and analysis tools are also used by third parties which install kiosk networks, forming an independent profit center for the company. Customer service monitors a toll-free 800 number, answering customer inquiries and making sure of complete satisfaction with every order. All promotions and advertising are created by an in-house ad agency, which also publishes a regular printed catalog of key products distributed free at all store locations. Product innovation is constantly cracking new profitable markets for CompuSave. It's easy for anyone to use an interactive kiosk. The video disc medium is friendly and interesting. CompuSave is actively developing these new markets while continuing to expand the original Touch and Save electronic distribution network.
Touche has projected that we can expect retail sales of between $5 and $10 billion annually based on an installed base of 50,000 shopping terminals to be placed in locations throughout the U.S. by the end of 1989.
It's exciting, it really is. My friends told me that they have specials every week, so guess who's going to be here? Me.
CompuSave. This is the future in interactive business and consumer marketing.